Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to sort an array of integers correctly. Alright, so as you can see, we have an array here of the integers, and now I'm going to write num array dot sort. We will use a sort method, and inside the sort method, I'm going to pass the two variables. I'm going to pass the a and b, and we are using the arrow function here. Okay, let me just console log my array and run the code. So as you can see here, we have the sorted array. Alright, so in this way you can sort an array of the integers, but there is also another way which is faster than this. Okay, for that we're gonna create a new variable. So var new array. Okay, so I'm gonna create an object of float 64 array. Alright, and we will simply pass our num array here. Okay, so this will also create the array. Okay, so I'm gonna simply console log here my new array. Okay, alright, so let's just run this now. So as you can see here, in the num array we have the values of our array, but when we use the float 64 array, just shows us that it is an object float 64 array. So how can we access the value? There is a one way that we can do by writing the index values. Alright, but there is a better way of accessing the value of float 64 array. So I'm gonna use here. So first of all, I would try to comment this because I would be doing the sorting here as well. So I'm gonna use the sort here. After the sorting, I will simply write map, and inside the map I'm gonna write the I, which represents the every element of the array. Alright, so I will write the console log just to give you an idea how to access the value, and write the I. So I don't need to use the console log here. So let's just run this now, and you can see here we have the elements of the array of float 64 array in a sorted order. Okay, so this is how we can sort an array of the integers correctly. The first way was the easier one, but it was a bit slow. But when you try to do the same thing with the float 64 array, it does improve the performance. So this is it, and if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.